can't reach. What is that? It's public so people can join. What are we doing? Oh, this map. 3 seconds of waiting. I wonder what. I was following you. I wasn't gonna punch you. I was just gonna follow you. I'm Sonic Speed. You didn't. Well, at least you got the fire the speed potion. I wasn't gonna kill you. I was just gonna like follow you and just sit there waiting. Wait for me. I was waiting for you to like notice me. Jump. Oh. I was gonna wait for you to jump and then like close the thing. What if you can punch people? Wait, should I? Hey, look, we got a friend. Friend! 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 Here, do you want me to use my Connect mic so everyone can hear you? I need to go to the bathroom really bad. You're not getting it. Here, by the way, you can't move. I'll leave some stuff in here. Come here, I left some. Here, let's team up against him. I just used so many poison potions on him. I'm gonna let him die with magic. I did. You should see in the recording. You're gonna see how many poison potions I get. Here, look, I'm gonna let you in. You're gonna see like 4 of them. Here, will you kill me? Kill me, cause I need to go bathroom. I'm going to the bathroom. Kill me. I'm gonna end the recording. Guys, so now I got it to where it will. Now you can actually hear him. You know what? Should I turn up the volume or no? I don't feel like it. I don't feel like turning up any volume.
Is it weird that you just have a camera pointing in front of your TV?
I know. You like it?
How about camera?
It's actually very, I have very good balance with cameras.
Like, those Xbox things where it's actually connected to your TV. You should get that one.
I got the same exact chest with all the poison potions again.
That hasn't started yet.
Run! Run, there's dancing!
Oh my god, I'm lagging again.
I got your back.
That chest I opened until much later, until everything disappeared.
I got the exact same chest with all like the poison potions. I'm geared up. No one can defeat me. This guy didn't even use his enchanted thing.
There's some shameless channels that just do videos on products they buy. I don't know.
And then you just see like the one guy who plays Minecraft every day.
Almost everyone
Yeah, kind of. Almost. I'd have a full set, so watch out.
You know, yeah, because there's a lot of people who do like makeup tutorials or something, like cooking. I don't know why. And I'm dying from hunger. Great.
Good. I'm gonna win.
Oh.
I'm gonna win. I actually have plenty of food.
You're supporting dying by hunger, you know.
Where are you?
By making this video, you're supporting people that die of hunger.
No, not no. Oh, I see you. I will destroy you. I will win this
I
without.
just need some food.
I will. Here, like, you want some food? Fine. Here.
Yes, please.
Right here.
I'm gonna die.
I just one shot you.
I
just one shot.
Okay, I don't think we should go to temple because I lag like crazy on temple.
Alright, we'll go for cove. Go for cove, that's better. Man, look! We got a lot of fans in here. Back with Sonic the Hedgehog. Bam bam!
Would you like to go fast with me?
I get the same chest with like 100 poison potions every time.
You should put Sonic the Hedgehog.
I will put
Because I
Sonic.
lag like
The life of a Sonic.
yeah, but the life of a Sonic is I get set on fire and then
I'm getting killed. I'm jumping in lava because I can't take my stuff. Shoot.
I'm hiding because I don't want anybody to find me.
I see you. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, bro?
Here. No, I'm still waiting here.
I'll alert them that you're here.
Okay. No.
Yo, bro.
That's my fault. No.
Squirrel. I mean, dude, come here. Look, he's over here. He's right here. They see you. Look, over there.
Uh-oh. Wait. How do I get... Okay, I'll just...
On
go
here.
and thing.
Be safe.
Like a city... Like I was telling you earlier, a city map would be, like, pretty cool. And,
Here's a fishing rod. You win. Here's a fishing rod. You win.
yeah, he's hitting me with a fishing rod. He's doing so much damage.
The lava. No.
No.
He beat you with a fishing rod. You suck.
He beat me with a fishing rod. My God.
Ow, my legs.
Like, seriously?
Yeah, you're gonna see that in the video, and you're gonna be disappointed yourself from that moment, from that one moment.
I'm back too.
Wait, it's gonna be like the instant replay of something that, like a fishing rod versus sword. Fishing rod wins.
What is this even supposed to be though? It's like, is this a dragon or something?
What?
Like this giant skeletal feature over here. Is that supposed to be a dragon?
Sniff? That guy? The guy?
No, I mean the bones. Well, the thing that they try to make as bones. Anyway.
I don't know. Really. Alright, what should we go for?
It might be a dinosaur or a dragon. You never know.
What do you want to vote for?
Let's go for a boat.
Okay, I voted for Cove.
I'm still trying to get there. Okay, I'm lagging a lot.
Did you get to Cove?
Yeah, I voted for boat, but I'm still lagging like crazy.
Don't worry.
Also, if you hit X, it tells you that you're ready.
Come on, bro.
You can just hit X.
Whoa, look at this. I found a little new cheeky spot.
Everybody does
No, but I actually fell and then I hit the ladder on accident. You're just looking up.
Does it make any sense? Oh,
Daddy.
I got it. I have 4 harming potions.
Oh, I thought you got like 4 potions of poison. That's what I thought you got.
I got. Ah!
It's me, it's me! It's me! It's me! Don't hurt me! Come down here.
It's a down! Kill it! Kill it!
You will not win. Goodbye.
Oh! It was a down! Hello, it's you! Now fine. Well, I guess I'm gonna be your guardian bat, I guess.
You got destroyed. You got destroyed by somebody who didn't even have anything.
I got destroyed by somebody that was...
Ah!
Wow.
Is it chasing me? It's chasing me!
Oh. Just go for this chest over here. Over here.
Where?
Go for the chest.
Oh, perfect.
Over here. Back here.
That's actually good.
Keep crouching.
I don't want to.
Okay, he didn't see you. He didn't see you. Alright. Be careful. He's over there, so you don't have to worry. You're
Okay.
safe for now.
For now, but he's gonna kill me next. Wait.
No, I mean for now, because there might be somebody who's gonna kill you, you know? You never know. There's somebody at the chest area, so...
It's that same guy. I'm gonna shoot him with an arrow and run.
Yeah, he has the axe, so you have to be careful. It's the iron one, too. Oh! Go down.
I tried using an apple to defend myself. I stole one of the fishing rods and I tried getting away.
Okay, I guess this is,
So we're down against these two
over.
people.
I'm just going over this.
Dude, this guy has like almost full iron. He just needs a chest plate. Look,
The orange one?
a dog.
Dog.
Look at him. Look how geared he is.
Diamond boots. Wow.
He has diamond boots, but there's supposed to be a diamond. Oh.
Oh, that's not you. That's the dog.
Go dog. Dog, you win this. They're both. You know what?
What?
Who won? How? It's gotta be
I
hacking.
don't know.
He's got, because dog got the first hit and he didn't die. What the heck?
Oh, I know how he won. He had diamond shoes, which got him more defense.
Yeah, but he has iron shoe. But he had like a halfway full iron set.
I know.
Iron set should have beat diamond boots.
Let's make some music. I'm over here.
Okay, how are we gonna do this? Like twinkle twinkle little. Let's do twinkle twinkle little stars. All right. Twig twig.
Let's team up this time.
He's ruining it.
Let's try to kill each other. Let's not try to kill each other this round. Let's team up.
I missed. Hey dog. Yeah 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 yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna go for...
He doesn't know how to do it.
I'm gonna go for Medusa.
Here, let him.
No.
I don't think he made it. The funny part is that we knocked it off that one time. This next round, and then that'll be it. Okay. Oh, bye. Where'd you
I
leave?
guess we're not having next round. Good.
Wait, what the?
Yeah, everybody loves.
Dude, I was hacking. I went before him and he didn't notice. I win.
Yeah.
I win.
Join your team.
I win.
I think you should end it right now.
Alright, yeah. I'll see you guys all later. See you next time. See y'all next time. See you guys on the. Oh, shoot. See. Alright, guys. See you all next time. Bye.